So here I have the adjustable bed rails from WeHwupe. I'm going to go through some frequently asked questions, which were, how long does it take to install? Does this work for an adjustable bed frame? And then does it slide out from underneath your bed when you're using it? So I'm going to answer all those questions for you and hopefully help you out with your purchase. So for that first question, how long does it take to assemble and install? It takes literally 5 minutes, maybe even less. There's only 3 steps to it. You can easily assemble it and then install it on your bed. All you need to do is slide it underneath your mattress. So just lift up your mattress and put it in between your mattress and your box spring, or your mattress and your bed frame, and it's ready to use. Good to go, super easy. The second question, does it work for an adjustable bed frame if you have that? So yes, it does work on an adjustable bed frame. So if you do have one of those, don't worry about it. This will work perfectly fine for you. And then for the third question, does it slide out from underneath your bed? So they do give you a strap you can use where you can strap it to your bed frame if you're worried about that, but it doesn't slide at all. It fits snug under there. There's some pieces of rubber on here that are on the end of it that keep it kind of tight in there, but you can, jump on it, pull on it, move it as much as you want. It's not sliding out from underneath your bed unless you're lifting up the mattress and actually pulling it out. But just sitting on your bed and giving some good pulls here, it doesn't slide at all. It's under there, so you're good to go. But overall, this is super easy to put together. It serves its job. It's an affordable price. So if you do need some help getting in and out of your bed, or have a loved one that needs some help getting in and out of their bed, this is an awesome product that's going to help them out.